All right, guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see behind me, we got the old red truck loaded up with mainly red oak. It's kind of some salvage timber. Red oak board killed it. We're trying to get it while we can to salvage what we can out of it. It probably won't make very much lumber. Might make a good couple fence boards. I'm not sure yet. One thing that's for sure is it probably ain't gonna be very pretty, but it'll keep us busy. We'll make some ties out of it and hopefully make a good video. So y'all stick around. All right, I thought I'd give y'all kind of like a tour. Let me clean you off here. I thought I'd give y'all kind of like a tour of all the different grades and different pieces of material we're cutting here at our little sawmill. So right here we've got just your standard 7x9 railroad tie. Over here we've got 4/4 ash and hickory lumber. 4/4 lumber mixed between ash, hickory, and some low-grade red oak. That mainly goes to fence boards. I sell a lot of 1x6s for fences. Over here we've got some more. This over here is just kind of a junk pile of wood over there that's too small, too thin, or whatever, and I use it to build stuff with throughout the day. For, you know what I'm talking about. All right, over here, as you can tell, we keep this wood. This is our high grade stuff. We try to keep it in a shady location because it's sitting here on sticks, air drying, and if the sun gets on it and it dries too fast, it'll check up. Right here we got 4/4 red oak, high grade stuff. It's mainly FAS and #1 common. On this side we've got 4/4 white oak. Again, it's mainly FAS, a little bit of #1 common mixed in. And then here's another pile of FAS white oak. And here's another pile of 4/4 ash and hickory. We also cut pallet material, 7x8s, 6x6s. See right here, we're working on a pile of 6x8s. I said 7x8s earlier, I meant 6x8s. Right here we got a pile of 6x8s, oak, and a pile of 6x6 pine right there behind us. Anyway, and then more boards, ash, and hickory, a little bit of sycamore mixed in there. Right here we've got 10-foot white oak. Again, this is all FAS 10-foot white oak. And over there on the other side of rollers we have 10-foot FAS red oak and a little ash mixed in there. All the lumber back there that you can see in the distance, that's ash. And I want to give a shout out real quick to one of my friends. He started a YouTube channel not too long ago and he's trying to grow it. It's called Dirt Road Discoveries, and pretty much it's just a channel about, he's got a real nice Jeep and he just kind of drives around the back roads around here, going to swimming holes and looking at cool stuff. It's actually a pretty neat little channel. He also does a lot of drone footage, so y'all go check him out, drop him a comment and tell him that I sent you over there. Anyway, that's enough of this stuff. Let's get back to sawing. How's that one tighter than this one?
It just seems like when you pick them up, they just,
You're just scared to get
He's just slipping of it, yeah. have some WD-40.
What did?
Yeah.
How many ties we get today? 240?